If you can only afford one oil, then I would use lavender. It's one of the most useful, safest, most versatile oils that we have in our collection of essential oils. Extracted from the plant, there are hundreds of different varieties of lavender plant, and if you ever go to one of the lavender gardens in Grass, you'll find that there are an awful lot of different types of lavender. When you find somebody who often complains that lavender will give them a headache, it's usually because they're using one of the less safe versions of lavender. So it's important that you get the Lavender angustifolia family or Lavender officinalis. These are the two safest, and it is the biochemicals in this oil that are mainly esters. Esters are very healing. So the more esters an essential oil has, the safer it is. The reason that lavender is so good to use on the skin is it's really good natural antiseptic. It's very healing. So if you take one drop of lavender and rub it just neat onto the skin on a little spot or a graze, it's marvellous for burns and scalds. So it would be my number one recommendation for a kitchen, to have the essential oil in the kitchen, so that if you do burn yourself, if you put lavender on it straight away, then that will stop the burn immediately. Lavender is also very safe to use on children and the elderly. So if you have a fractious child, burning lavender in the room or giving the child a bath in a couple of drops of lavender can really help calm them down in a pleasant, nice way. The main thing with the oils, as I've probably said before, is you do need to like the smell of the oil that you're using. So you wouldn't use lavender on anybody who really didn't like the smell of it. You are attracted to what you need, and if you don't like it, then you don't need it. And there are always alternatives in the kit of essential oils that you can use instead of lavender. So